Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and use the free NoAds Music application in 2025. So the application we're talking about for this one is, let me just go on my app store. It's going to be name untitled. Literally name untitled. It should be looking like this. So simply download it for free, and basically once you have successfully downloaded and installed it to your device, I want you to open it. Alright? Now, one here, you're gonna see that you're gonna ask for a login. I just used my Domi Google account to log into this one. Just the basic setup an account, choose your profile picture, the name, the username that you want in here, and the works. So once everything is settled, this is how it should look like. So you can add your audio, pretty simple. On the upper section, you're gonna have three options. First, of course, is your profile. You can check everything you want here. There is currently a free plan. Use a Face ID if you want. You can use these settings to check them out or edit your profile by here. Alright? Three dots right there, you can delete or log out your account. Going back, in here the search bar gives you the option to search on your music downloaded inside this application. You can also check notifications for any notifications you have. Now let's talk about adding an audio. So simply click this one and it will choose an audio on your file. Take note, you can only add audio files on your current device. You cannot add on your cloud, you cannot add on your computer, just need it inside your device. So select this one, I'm going to select an open, wait for it to load up, and basically I have it right there. So how does it work? Now, if I add a new one, it will ask me if I want it as an audio, if I want to convert it, record, or basically a new project. Three dots right there gives you the option to share, pin it, move, duplicate, or basically delete it. Alright? So if I click on delete right there, I'm going to go back from this first step, which is the one I mentioned before. And basically that's how you use it. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.